everyone. This is your host, Maheen, and welcome to the Canadian SME Small Business Podcast, where we are back again with another episode on a platform dedicated to highlighting the pivotal role that small businesses play in our communities. Today, we will explore the innovative approaches to financial management that are empowering businesses across the country. Our guest today is Monil Raju Shah, the co founder of Fencing Solutions Inc. Monil is an experienced inter-CA professional with a decade-long track record in accounting and tax compliances. Currently serving as a virtual CFO, he partners with CPAs to fuel their growth journeys and save substantial costs on operations. His achievements extend to saving clients costs over 500K annually through strategic accounting outsourcing and leading a skilled team of 20 members. Monil ensures top-notch service delivery and client satisfaction. Join us as we explore Monil's insights and experiences, showcase his expertise and dedication to client success on our podcast. Now, without further ado, let's welcome Monil. Good morning, Monil, and welcome to the Canadian SME Small Business Podcast. How are you today?
Good morning. Thank you so much for the invitation, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
It's a great pleasure, Monil. Likewise, I mean, your journey in establishing FinSync Solutions Inc. and your dedication to innovating financial operations for small and medium-sized enterprises is truly inspiring. Now, this
Thank you.
is for our listeners. I mean, isn't it incredible to witness, really the value and the drive behind today's entrepreneurs? And as we dive into our conversation with Monil today, think about the financial strategies your business employs. Are there any areas that you could innovate or streamline? Keep this question in mind as we explore the world of financial solutions with FinSync. Now, many entrepreneurs have unique stories about what motivated them to start their business. Could you share with us why you chose this path and what inspired you to co-found FinSync?
So my father was a chartered accountant himself, and he was into public practice for 30 years when I joined him. So one of the things which I explored to expand our horizons was, serve clients globally. So that was my key motivation to co-found FinSync.
That's amazing. I mean, it's quite a compelling journey. But what were some of the initial challenges you faced and how did you overcome them?
So I immigrated to Canada in 2019 through Express Entry,
Mhm,
and so I thought of founding this entity when I was back in my country, India.
mhm.
And when I reached Canada, I started, knocking door to door of CPAs, accountants, some businesses as well. I did cold callings, and trying to reach out. But I didn't get much success because people were still a little people were not still confident to outsource to someone who is taking away their work to some other countries. So yeah, I got some of I got help from some of my acquaintances whom due to which I got my first breakthrough, and I started serving my first client in 2020.
That's amazing. I mean, it really shows your resilience and innovation at the first early steps that you encountered. Now, there's a difference between outsourcing and offshoring. I mean, that's often, there's often confusion between these two terms in the business world. Could you elucidate the difference between these two concepts for our listeners?
Okay. So outsourcing is nothing but giving your work outside your own organization. So it's a practice of contracting out certain business processes to someone outside your organization. While on the other hand, offshoring especially involves giving your work to some other country for leveraging lower labor cost, tax benefits, or specialized expertise. So offshoring is a subset of outsourcing, but it focuses on complete geographical relocation aspect.
Mm-hmm. Now, your explanation really clarifies a lot of misconceptions, but how does fencing incorporate these models to benefit your clients?
So, Finzing offshores accounting and financing processes by providing qualified offshore staff. We help our client reduce their overhead costs, streamline their processes, scale efficiently, and so by this, we fencing helps to deliver high quality services at competitive rates and ultimately providing value and flexibility to the clients.
Mm-hmm.
Additionally, our offshoring models enables them to get around the clock support and a faster turnaround times. So our vision is always to be a partner in our client's growth journey.
Right. No, thank you so much for highlighting the strategic business efficiency that fencing offers. And on that note, I would really want to pause for a moment and really reflect with you all. I mean, the landscape of business operations is evolving rapidly, and the insights Munil shared about outsourcing and offshoring offers a new perspective on efficiency and growth. Like, how does, your business adapt to change, and how could these strategies be the key to unlocking new potentials? Let's really ponder on this as we continue our exploration. Now, our next focus would be on saving money through offshoring. Now, money cost reduction is a critical factor for CPAs and businesses. How does offshoring really save money for your clients, especially in the accounting sector?
So one our key point of sale is providing qualified professionals to CPAs and businesses. We provide resources who are chartered accountants, they are MBA finance, they can be masters of commerce. So if you hire an experienced accountant in Canada, it will cost you around 50,000 to 115,000 annually. But if you hire through us, it will cost you around 25 to $30,000.
Mm-hmm.
So it will help you to save at least 70 to $80,000 annually. So this is the figures I'm mentioning is only the cost of the resource. I haven't even calculated the infrastructure cost you are spending on the resources. So in a gist, I can say our services help our clients to save their operational cost from 50 to 60%.
Mm-hmm. No, these insights really demonstrate the tangible benefits of offshoring, for sure. But are there any specific examples, Manil, where offshoring has significantly impacted a client's budget positively?
Sure. So one of my client, he hired a contract accountant through a recruitment agency.
Mm-hmm.
He was paying $110,000 per year. And by offshoring to us now, he's paying us somewhere around 25 to $30,000. So he's saving, or you can say he's earning more profits for up to $85,000. So that is more than the cost of an average employee in Canada. So I always say to my clients, you can hire three employees at the cost of one employee.
Mm-hmm. And thank you for showcasing, offshoring's value in business operations. But Monil, I mean, AI is really transforming industries, including accounting. Can you share how AI is integrated into the services FinSync offers?
So currently, AI is, taking over the world. Every one of us knows that it's, taking our jobs or, the work we are doing. But FinSync uses all the softwares which are running in the market, which are, AI operated. Like if you see QuickBooks has some of the AI features whereby it categorizes expenses and transactions based on your previous categorizations. So we understand and leverage the technology to, save our clients' cost as well as, save time on the services.
Mm-hmm. It's quite fascinating to see how AI is being leveraged for greater efficiency and accuracy in accounting. But Monil, what future advancements in AI do you foresee impacting the accounting sector further?
So I anticipate that some junior level jobs will be gone for good. So something like data entry won't exist anymore in around 5 to 10 years because AI is, taking over it. Uh, but I still feel that the financial analysis always needs expertise and understanding the micro and macroeconomics of the business as well as the economy. So I feel that AI won't be able to replace that.
Mm-hmm. No, it's quite interesting, and that security and confidentiality of data is also very key, and it's very paramount for every business. Monil, how does fencing ensure that security and confidentiality of your clients' data?
So, as per the Canadian statute, all accounting records should be stored in Canadian servers. So, we make sure that none of the regulations are violated by using our client server for, processing all the accounting and all the work we are doing.
Mhm.
We have installed strong firewalls at our base in Canada as well as India to make sure that no data can is leaked outside the server. Along with that, my corporation in Canada signs strict NDAs and non-solicitation clauses with our clients. So the clients can be secure for the data as well as their own clients are never solicited from us.
That's good to know.
Also,
Mhm.
we do not do any international transactions with our clients. So my clients can always be, free from the worry of, getting duped of some international payment gateway. So yeah.
No, that's really good to know. Thank you, Manil. But to build onto this a bit more, like, have there been any challenges in maintaining the security, and how have you addressed them?
By God's grace, we haven't been, there has not been a single incident of any kind of breach of security. So I look forward that none of that happens in the near future.
No, for sure. But your commitment to data security is reassuring for businesses considering outsourcing their financial tasks. Now, as we near the end of our discussion today, I'd like to invite our listeners to really think about the future of their businesses. I mean, the journey of innovation, security, and financial management that Munil described is not just a narrative, but a pathway to transformation. Like, what steps can you take today to future proof your business? This question is just not the food for thought, but a call to action as well as we aim to thrive in an ever changing business landscape. Now, before we conclude, Munil, could you share one piece of advice for entrepreneurs looking to streamline their financial operations?
As an advisor, I always say that financial operations should be put in black and white, or
Mhm.
you can say, by preparing standard operating procedures. By developing and implementing SOPs, entrepreneurs can streamline their processes, ensure consistency for their compliances. It will ultimately improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of their business. It will not only give them insights of their profits and losses, but also, show where they are going. So I always say financial operations can be overwhelming, but if the SOPs are followed, then you can, win the race.
Thank you so much, Munil, for discussing these important aspects and sharing your valuable insights with us. I mean, it's been enlightening to learn about the innovative solutions that FinSync really provides and the impact of technology in accounting. So, thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for the invitation.
In this episode, we discussed the importance of small businesses, the differentiation between outsourcing and offshoring, and the cost saving benefits of offshoring, the role of AI in accounting, and the paramount importance of data security. And for that, we'd like to thank Munil again. We'd also like to extend our thanks to our partners, exclusive banking partner RBC, our exclusive shipping partner UPS, our exclusive accounting software partner Xero, and our exclusive email partner, Constant Contact. Don't forget to subscribe to the Canadian SME Small Business Magazine by visiting our official website, canadiansme.ca, for more insights and resources tailored for SMEs in Canada. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable discussions in our next episodes. Thank you.